Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can disable security delay feature in iPhone running iOS 18. Dear friends, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also put your likes under the video and write your comments. And let us get down to this topic with you. So, what is the security delay feature anyway? It is such a feature that allows you to find your phone if it is lost or stolen. But if you don't want this feature to be enabled on your iPhone, it is very easy to disable it. First of all, please open the settings on your iPhone. After that, scroll down and go to Face ID password. Next, you will need to maintain your phone password. After that, scroll down a little bit. And find the stolen phone security. Click on that option. Now you just need to click on the button to turn that feature off. After that, you'll have Face ID verification like I did. And you will get a window where you will be warned that you can turn off this feature only after 1 hour of time. If that's okay with you, then click Start. And after the 1 hour has passed, you can go back to that menu and take it and disable the stolen device protection. This protection and the 1 hour shutdown restriction is in effect on all iPhones. So, folks, you may not be surprised by this. And it's such an inherent security measure on the iPhone. After the hour has passed, go back here to Stolen Device Protection. Press this button. And further, you can seamlessly disable the security delay feature. In this quick way, you can easily disable stolen device protection on your iOS 18 iPhone. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also be sure to like the video and write comments. See you, friends!